Our optical transport network learning series. So far, we have covered what is OTN, optical transport network, its architecture and signal mapping. We have explored ODU multiplexing and protection schemes, ODU roaming, uh, what it really means, how cross connect works, in OTN node. We learned that grooming in telecom simply means aggregating and optimizing traffic for efficient transport. And grooming take place at the ODUk level. That's where you group lower rate services like ODU0, ODU1 into higher containers like ODU2, ODU3, and so on. And we have seen that this is basically an efficient use of bandwidth and reduces the number of wavelengths used. And in Huawei OSN 9800 particularly, this grooming logic happens inside the cross connect XCT or TNC board. And now cross connect functionality explain. So we know that every modern OTN node has a digital cross connect matrix responsible for terminating incoming ODUs and mapping them into appropriate containers and connecting input and output ports internally. So now we are now looking into two types of cross connects, two main types. Number one is ODUk non-blocking cross connect, where each incoming ODU can be switched to any output. And second is ODU flex cross connect, allows mapping of variable band width, example 25G, 50G in modern elastic networks. Huawei boards that handle this include Huawei boards that handle this include number one TNC, XCT, common in OSN 9800, TN 54, XCT, TN 52, XCT cross connect used in OSN 8800 and PTN cross connect. And LTN Metro devices. The internal switching enables you to deliver end-to-end OTN services without the without touching the client ports again. Okay. So real life use cases, we can use real life use cases as well. We can see real life use cases. Let's say you are deploying a business broadband service over OTN. You receive 5 into 1 gigabits per second connections from customer switches in a city. You need to transport them to a core node in another city. You would. The example is deploying a business broadband service over OTN. Okay, receive 5 into sorry 5 into 1 bits per second connections from customer switches in one city need to transport formatting need to transport them to a core network core node in another city. You would control C. You would number one map each 1 gigabits per second port to ODU 0, groom 4 of them into 1 into ODU 1 using DNC cross connect. Okay, use the remaining ODU 0 in, in another ODU 1. We use an OTN trail over DWDM, ensure protection using SCP on each ODU1 trail. This shows how grooming and cross connect enable optimize and protected delivery of client services. So our conclusion would be what grooming means. In this lecture, we have covered what grooming means in OTN, how cross connect works in Huawei OS and platforms, and some practical configuration which can be done via 2000 and CLI, which I have not covered in this lecture. So in the next lecture, I will cover advanced signal testing, ODUk performance monitoring, and understanding alarms and diagnosis in Huawei OT. Thank you very much for watching.